Tonight I've pulled apart a little triangle shaped mini orbital sander that decided to stop working. It's rechargeable. Looks like it's got a pair of 3.7 lithium cells. They're 1850s. So instead of being 65mm long, only 50mm long. But I believe that's the only thing that's failed in the setup. So I might just try and prise them out. Here we go, so it's just a pair of 3.7 volt cells to give it 7.2. That simple. So what I might do is in the back of this, the outside of this out here, it's quite a bit of space. It probably wouldn't matter if we stacked a small handful of these cells in that space. Doing a couple of these on top of each other. Just use them as holders and reconfigure the way they're actually set up. Like, that's not heavy, it's probably about, I don't know, 300 grams. That on the back of it would give it, well, at 1100 milliamp. Batteries in there before. If we can get 6 on the back of there, it'll be 3 in parallel. So, you know, if they're 1500 each, it could be 3 amp hours instead of 1100 milliamps. So we could make its runtime quite a bit better. Yeah. So that should be good. I'll just get my power supply freed up and put some power to them and just test to make sure it actually does run first. Just on a little tiny little DC motor. So there's just a crank in there that's eccentric on a bearing. Bearing in the bottom plate. Bearing in the top here. That all turns over fairly nicely. And should be no reason why I can't power it up. That said, I could even power it externally if I wanted to, and run it off a couple of these packs. Elsewhere, they don't have to be on the unit. They could have a short cord and just a decent plug like a Dean's connector or similar. Dean's, or T connector, some people call them. Like one of those is powerful enough to handle my 18 volt Milwaukee gear, so probably nearly too good for this application, but I'll fire it up and make sure it works.